Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buy Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house that the landlord owns, and just the house has some issues. And the twist in this one is I'm the owner of this property. So I just want to show you guys this actually house. I think I did a video on it when I bought it. We might have bought it about 2 years ago. It was in really bad shape. We did a full renovation on it. And just want to show you that, like, because we buy a lot of problem properties, and owning rentals and having property can be issues. You have contractors that don't do good jobs. You have to evict tenants. This house, actually, when we were fixing it, someone broke in and stole the fridge. We had a brand new fridge. It got stolen just before I rented it out. But we had some tenants in place. They did just leave. And what we've found is this is the new floor, that we got put in. When we bought it like 2 years ago, we put this new floor in, and what we realized is, like, it's coming up. So our contractor laid it just sort of direct on the tiles, put some loose bits below it. Just did a really bad job, basically. It looked okay when we first did it. I didn't pick it up. That's on me. You need to watch these things, and I didn't pick it up. See, it's coming out over here. So this was this is brand new floors 2 years ago. Full renovation on this house. And now I've got to replace the floors again, and that's how this works. The freshly painted, the paint's pretty scuffed up, but that's normal. That's a normal turn for a landlord. But I just want to say, I have these issues too. Property. We love property. I still love property. I do this for a living, so we bank in having these things happen. We put reserves aside. We know these things are going to happen, and we're prepared. And when they do, we'll deal with them. So it doesn't turn me off property, but I just want to say, I understand it can be hard. It can be hard when you're managing these properties. If you have a bad run and you have a few houses with damage, we've had a few ACs go in all this heat, so I've had to replace a bunch of ACs recently. So if you don't have a lot of reserves, you get a bad tenant that beats up your house. You had a bad contract to do some work. One of your big mechanicals. Your hot water goes, your AC goes, like, it can be hard. So I get it, I just want to say it happens to all of us. If you're out there and you're a landlord, keep going, just budget for these things, if you don't want to keep going, well, I understand that too. And we love buying rentals and properties. So, if you're over it, give us a call. We'll happily buy it. If you're on the fence, I would encourage you, keep going because it is rewarding. Over time, properties pay back. It just takes time, but if you can hold on to them long term, you'll always do well. If you're on that fence, I encourage you to keep going, fix those things, put the reserves away, like, figure out who the bad contractors are, find who the good ones are. But if you're not, if you're over it and you want to sell, hey, give us a call. Go to our website, homebuylouisiana.com. We're always looking for rentals. So thanks, guys. Cheers.